Sí, seguro que mi amor no suena mal, but it's pretty standard. And if you want to dazzle your Latin significant other, you have to start calling them with better nicknames.
Googly bear.
If you want to keep things exciting in your relationship and not bore your Latino partner, you better get rid of this cliché. Why not use one of these 6 alternatives that native Spanish speakers use all the time instead? I am Spring Spanish teacher Juan, and here is your first mi amor alternative. Number 1, querido or querida. Normally used before the name of the person, like querido Juan or querida Marifer, can be said when referring to your loved one in front of people, as it's seen as a slightly formal expression. You can also use it with family and friends, or even before the title of the person, like querida jefa, quisiera pedirle un aumento, or querido profesor Juan, me gustó tanto tu video que se lo voy a compartir a mis amigos. Just an example of what you could write in the comments. Número 2, mi corazón. If you ever get to a Caribbean shop or community, you'll feel like they're all hitting on you. Pero en realidad, así es como hablamos. You can surprise your Spanish-speaking sweetheart by saying, mi corazón. Te invito a cenar a tu restaurante favorito. Oye, corazón, ¿estás segura de que quieres pedir eso? Se ve bastante caro. Mi corazón, hermosa, bellísima. ¿Será que puedes pagar tú? Es que dejé la billetera en el carro.
Pero tú ni siquiera tienes auto.
Número 3. Cielo. Ese lunar que tiene cielito lindo junto a la boca. If you're close to Mexican culture, you've probably heard that one. And yes, calling your boyfriend or girlfriend cielo or cielito is a thing in Spanish. Pero si quieres hacer más que simplemente decirles nombres cursis a tu novio o novia, why don't you help yourself with the link in the description? That will take you to our free essential Spanish chunking kit with lots of great chunks to learn in Spanish. Just imagine telling your corazoncito, no cabe duda de que eres lo más hermoso que he visto. One-way road right there, man. Número 4, gordo or gorda. This might come as a little bit of a culture shock if you're new to Latin communities, but yes, probablemente escuches gordo, gorda o hasta gordita entre parejas de hispanohablantes. And the funny thing is, it doesn't even have to do anything with your physical appearance. Si tienes novio o novia, well, se llaman gordo or gordita y punto. Chunk alert. Y punto is a chunk we use in Spanish to give a statement a strong ending. Same as the English period. Like you've made up your mind and you're putting your foot down. The literal translation doesn't really mean anything in English, so just learn it by heart and use it as and that's that. Like this. En esta casa se hace lo que yo digo y punto. Just don't tell my wife I said that. Número 5. Names with adjectives. Hermosa, bonita, divina, preciosa. Además de adjetivos, también pueden ser sobrenombres para tu novia o novio. Names to call your partner when you're alone with them. So let's say you and your partner are, in a romantic video call or in the comfort of your home, no one to judge it. La cosa se pone romántica y es el momento de ponerse creativo, mi hermano. We Latinos love to use diminutivos to call our loved ones. Like instead of saying mi amor, we use mi amorcito, mi reino, mi corazoncito, right? We even have food names like mi pastelito, chocolatico, caramelito, or even abstract stuff like cosita rica, dulzura, ternurita. Spanish has it all, and there are no rules as long as you say it with love. Just be mindful of your surroundings. Hola, ¿me escuchas bien?
Sí. Perfecto. Estoy con...
Ah, qué bien. Te extraño tanto, mi preciosura. Cosita divina, quiero agarrarte y besarte. Ricura.
Espera.
Te quiero comer mi bombón de chocolate, mi cachorrita. Rrr. Bueno, ya está bien, ya. ¿Qué me ibas a decir?
Que me llamaste al trabajo. Estoy en una reunión y estás en el altavoz.
Hola. Okay, so now that you know how to call your significant other in Spanish, you always need to know how to speak about love and how to flirt in Spanish. So that's what we will be looking at right now. Click the image on the screen to have teacher Paulísima take over and teach you all the love and flirt language in Spanish that you need. Hint, stop saying hola guapa.